We are silver soldering with the old timer. This is how they did it back in the olden days, before electricity. You don't have to yell.
Put that down.
Put this down.
Hold on to that.
Hold on to this. I didn't know I'd be actually working.
We're in the keep.
I guess so. Hey, didn't you say that first place you worked in as a kid had a water wheel and it was powered by water? Oh, am I just mistaken that story? Oh. As the flame comes to my hand. So you heat up the brass a little bit too before you put the solder to it?
Yep. You watch the flux to see if the flux is melting.
Oh, and that's when you know it's a good temperature?
Yep. Okay, that's enough.
Oh, son of a gun.
Shit.
Careful, that might be hot. You want me to hold the torch? I assume it needs to cool before the strength.
Here.
Damn.
You gotta hold it.
I gotta hold it?
Just put your finger on it.
Okay. Hold on.
Just leave it. Just hold it until it cools and hardens.